Okay, we're correcting practice problems for Unit 7, Lesson 11. Number 1A says graph these points in the coordinate plane, so let's do that. We have -2, +3 would go here. And then +2, +3 would go here. And let's label them. And then -2, -3 will go here. And +2, -3 would go here. And then point B, 1B says connect all the points. And describe the figure. It is a rectangle. And we already wrote the coordinates of each point, so we are done with that one. These 3 points form a horizontal line. -3.54, 0.4, and 6.24. Name 2 additional points that fall on this line. So if this is 0, 4, and we have, let's say, -3.54 is here, and we have 6.24 would be over there, then we could say 1, 4 would be about here, and 2, 4 would be here. So I'm going to say 1, 4 and 2, 4. There are others. Anything on that same horizontal line. So any number that has a y coordinate of 4. See how they're all the same here. Number 4. One night is 24 degrees Celsius warmer in Tucson than it was in Minneapolis. If the temperatures in Tucson and Minneapolis are opposite, what is the temperature in Tucson? So the opposite of 24 is a -24. Oh, 24 degrees warmer in Tucson than it was in Minneapolis. If the temperature in Tucson and Minneapolis are opposites, what is the temperature in Tucson? So it would be 12, because it would be 12, and then -12 is the opposite, and the distance between the two is 24. All right, for 5, Noah is helping his band sell boxes of chocolate to fund a field trip. Each box contains 20 bars, and each bar sells for $1.50. Complete the table for values of M. So if he sells one box, so $1.50 times 20 is $30. So one box at $1.50, 20 times $1.50 is 30. And then that's going to double for 2 and triple for 3. And all those are going in the same order. So it's going to be 120, 150. So you're multiplying each number times 3, 30. 6 times 30 would be 180. 7 times 3 is 210. And 8 times 3, 30 would be $240. Okay, B says write an equation for the amount of money that M will be collected if B boxes of chocolate bars are sold, which is independent variable, which is the dependent variable. So the boxes sold are B, and we're doing B times 30. So it's going to be, the equation would be 30B, 30 times B. And M, the money, is dependent on how many boxes are sold. So B is independent. And C says write an equation for the number of boxes B that were sold if M dollars were collected. So B is equal to the money divided by 30. And in this case, M is independent. And B is dependent. Okay, and the last problem says Lynn ran 29 meters in 10 seconds. She ran at a constant speed. How far did Lynn run every second? Well, we're just dividing 29 divided by 10. So she ran 2.9 meters per second. And in 6B, at this rate, how far can she run if she ran for a whole minute? So we said it was 2.9, and 2.9 times 60 is 174. So 174 meters. Okay, and that's the end of this practice problems.